All right, so we got it. We're in a secret testing spot. We're gonna get a small baseline, see where we're starting. There's a couple things that need replaced, definitely shifter bushings, and a few other things, but we're gonna see where we're at and go from there and track progress. So if you have a notebook, we'll just write it down when we get home.
Put my notes.
Okay. So this will be fun. So I'm gonna bring you up, put you back, burn out, and then line you back up, bring you up, hit the thing, and then when you're ready, let me know. Heat them up. All right, and a little better. Did you get data?
12.1.5 at 60 miles an hour.
Okay. Wonder if I can do any better.
Yep. Not bad for non-VTEC Y7 head. Just trying to get some baseline test hits, seeing how it does. We're just using a app really to get our time and everything, so just relies on GPS. Might not be 100% accurate, but it gives us a baseline so that when we start getting stuff done to it, we'll use the same app just to keep that constant within the tests, and see what it's at after doing some stuff to it. Maybe have some progress with it, like instead of at the beginning and finish, we'll have some in between, see what happens. But got some big plans for the car. Just gonna see where we can go with it, what all we can do, take it as far as it'll let us. What are we looking at?
This thing needs so many bushings.
Yes.
Hang on. Close. Oh. Don't feel bad.
What'd you get?
11.69.
Nice.
At 64.
64?
Yeah.
What was your 60?
60 foot was a 3.2, so that was shit, but...
Okay. That was a little better than my 60, I think.
I think this thing actually has an LSD in it.
You think so?
I think. We'll confirm it, but I think this has an LSD in it.
That's good.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. Not even showing hot either.
Sorry, I'm faster in your car than you are. Alright guys, what's up? If the angle looks a little different, the GoPro case broke. So I actually got one of those ordered on top of some new camera equipment. Was it the 4K and 1080? Anyway, it's got built-in light and microphone, so we're kind of excited. So if your video looks a little different here on a couple things, we're going to test it out, trying to see what you guys like. We got the new project back in, ready to go. We picked up some stuff for it, which we'll reveal later. Right now, we're going to do some unboxing. What do we got today?
We have brand new shifter and bushings for the city.
Because it is slop. And I'm going to walk over here.
You know what I'm
That's like second. And that's still really, really bad. So, to get some more precise shifts, and to make sure we don't miss shift as much as possible, we had to get some stuff to replace what's old and worn out on the car. So, got some budget parts.
Some crappy tape.
Some crappy tape. Looks pretty festive though. We don't need that.
Bushings.
What is that? Prothane? That's a good name brand. All the Prothane stuff I've ever used, I like it.
Ta-da! Nice and solid. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's thick. Grease, always grease your polyurethane. That's important. Or else it squeaks and makes noise.
All these little pieces. Now for the exciting part. Need the knife again.
Ooh, we got a different box opening object this week.
Kershaw.
I love Kershaw.
Sponsors.
Hardware.
Nice. And here we have it.
Now we ordered this off Amazon, right? Or you ordered this off Amazon?
Yes.
You remember the name brand for it?
No. I'd have to look at it again.
Okay, we'll have to look.
Nice. It's got a little locking.
So, locking, free adjustment there. Locking on the height of the shifter there.
Locking here.
And locking there. So, what a short shifter does is it changes the height of the pivot angle on the shifter to take more leverage advantage on the shift. Usually street and minor race stuff is usually about 33-40%. So that's what we're looking like. We got one with the added adjustment on top. So if anybody's driven a 90 Civic, sometimes you feel like you're reaching forward a lot for it while you're sitting back in the seat with harnesses. It can be a little weird sometimes. So hopefully the way that's set up, it'll angle it back a little bit so it's a little more comfortable and we don't feel like we're reaching as far forward to grab the shifter. Other than that, there'll be some more updates coming soon. You want to tell them what we picked up the other day? Just from the couple people for the car.
Oh. Should we show them?
You guys want to see it? We'll go take a tour. Anyway. So we ended up picking up a VTEC head, pretty local. Came with some ARP hardware already included. And we met a guy named Greg from Rice Cooker Performance in Canton. He seemed like a really cool guy. Hopefully, we'll do some more bartering and stuff with him. But it was a Y8 head, right? Mm-hmm. Y8 head. You see the VTEC solenoid back there. Picked up a valve cover to go with it. The ARP stud hardware is under that. Better flow in factory intake manifold and a B series throttle body because they're a little bigger. More air, more fuel, more bang, more power. This is what we really needed along with the VTEC head. OBD2 P2P VTEC ECU. That'll be used until we go standalone. Couple budget go fast goodies for when we ever get into the turbo stuff. log manifold. If you can see it down there, because I don't want to take everything out. Budget wastegate and factory oil pan already tapped for an AN10 turbo oil return. So looks like the D-Series hatch drag car might be coming along slightly faster at the moment than the Beamer.
In the rear.
Oh yeah, and we picked up some strut tower bars. Got to keep things stiff, keep that power planted. But drag car hatch looks like it's going to be coming along pretty well, and hopefully later tonight, if everything clears up, we can go start tearing more stuff apart on the BMW parts card, get it out of there, and get to work on the Beamer. So there we go.
You're not even pointing at me.
I'm not pointing at you, but there you go. We'll get back to you guys here in a little bit. Take it easy.